My vlog is all about our experience during pandemic. COVID-19 exploded in March 2020. Our class is stopped, as well as jobs are also stopped. At first, I did not really take this virus seriously. It's just a virus. Many things have changed in our country because of this pandemic, as well as my sister and my parents who work. That worried to us was my sister working in the hospital because she might as well get infected, and my parents and also my youngest sister will get infected here at home. At first, she stopped at work. One of the drivers who delivering and fetching them tested positive for COVID-19. They were reminded to self-quarantine. Only a few months, his co-worker tested for COVID-19. He is positive. She stopped working again. She was just at home then, and we were told to wear a mask every time we talked to her. And in September 2020, my mom got sick, fever, cough, and cold, and she felt numb. My sister decided to have my mother a swab test. At the Nova District Hospital, she was swabbed, and at QCU, she spent a few days for 14 days quarantine. Before she went there, she was sent clothes, and she also brought her cell phone. There, we call her every day and ask for an update on what she is doing there. We also send her food. She's been there for about 2 weeks. When we called her, she was crying because she missed us. After 14 days, the result of her swab test still did not come out. The next day, it's 15 days. That day, she was sent home. She returned home. There is only she can do. She returned home. There is only so much she can do at home. God forbid she is not positive in COVID-19 because she allegedly overcome the 14 days quarantine. It says that when you pass the 14 days quarantine, it is as if you have survived COVID. After that, my mother feels okay. She no longer feels pain. The virus that does not choose whether you rich or not, whether you are famous or not. You can be hit by that virus. So I just remind you that we should always be careful, be physically clean so as not to get sick. Back then, we were not with my mother at dinner time. Now, we can be with her too. And when you go out, always wear a face mask and a face shield and avoid crowded places.